Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which handheld juicers to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. If you are a casual juicer or prefer to choose small quantities of small fruits and vegetables, then it's perhaps time you considered a convenient handheld juicer. These are often easier to whip out, while it's a lot easier to clean than its traditional counterpart. In this video, we have put together a top 5 list of handheld juicers for you to consider. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The handheld juicers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The handheld juicer comes in at number 5 in our list is the Lukasa Citrus Juicer. The best manual juicer for oranges is the Lukasa Citrus Juicer. It doesn't heat up because it's a manual juicer. Thus, the nutritional value of the juice is preserved naturally. It's well constructed, with BPA-free food-grade plastic and stainless steel components. When compared to standard manual juicers, our team found that this juicer can yield a juice that is extracted by the spiral motion and is 15% more efficient. The juice is completely pulp-free thanks to the included pulp container. Our team found this product very simple to clean. Simply take apart the components, clean them, and dry them. With the closing lead, you can effortlessly store this product anywhere without fear of it becoming dusty. Half a cup can be made from 1 orange. By squeezing every last drop out, the spiral extrusion process helps to eliminate waste. It looks like a thermos, so no one will give it a second glance if you bring it to work. This is a very user-friendly handheld manual juicer. All you have to do is cover the fruit with a lid, push, and rotate, and you'll have the juice. The Lukasa Citrus Juicer Manual Orange Juicer is made of high food-grade stainless steel. With that, this unit is built to last and is safe to use for preparing juice. With its features like the pulp container and spiral extrusion, this juicer is a great piece that'll serve you better for years to come. For that reason, our team put this at number 5 in our list. The handheld juicer coming in at number 4 in our list is the Joseph Helix Citrus Juicer. The Joseph Catcher Citrus Reamer is a unique take on a popular citrus gadget that keeps seeds and pulp out of the juice. A soft rubber catcher is positioned on the side of this hand reamer to allow for a comfortable juicing position. The catcher is perforated, allowing the juice to flow through but not seeds. Its reamer has a bright yellow ridge cone with a dark gray catcher and rounded handle. The Joseph Helix Juicer is operated by twisting the handles together rather than pressing them together, which squishes the fruit with less effort. It's perfect for people who don't have a lot of hand strength, such as seniors and children. The squeezer's bottom slits do an excellent job of keeping seeds out. It's also built of durable plastic and stainless steel with no moving parts or hinges to fail. This device is more efficient in extracting juice compared to any press-style juicer. Due to its large size, however, it may not fit ordinary kitchen drawers, so make sure you have a space ready when you buy one and take it home with you. On the other hand, our team found that this citrus reamer's innovative design captures all of the pips and fruit pulp while allowing the juice to drain through. The Joseph Catcher Citrus Reamer is perfect for you if you're looking for something relatively small but can do a much better task. This juicer has unique features like a catcher and citrus innovative design, and so our team felt that this product is fitted to be at number 4 in our list. The handheld juicer coming in at number 3 in our list is the Sunhanny Orange Lemon Manual Hand Squeezer. The Sunhanny Citrus Juicer is another smart option worth considering. The juicer would extract all of the juice from your fruit without losing any vitamin content because it uses food-grade polypropylene materials. There are 2 sizes of reamers included with this juicer. To obtain the most juice out of lemons, limes, and other smaller citrus fruits, one may use its 12-teeth reamer. The other is a massive 3-claw reamer for extracting the most juice from oranges or other larger fruits. You can rest assured that regardless of the size of the fruits, this equipment will handle them with ease. This unit, with a capacity of 500 milliliters, can hold a large number of fruit at once. Although this manual juicer was created to juice citrus fruits, you'll find that it can handle a lot more tasks. You can juice a variety of fruits with it without having to worry about efficiency. The odd pedal-shaped device for juicing oranges that comes with the Sunhanny fits on top of the reamer, which then locks into the juicer's 2-cup container. Lemon pips trapped in the Sunhanny's reamer, which contains slits, are similar to other models' pop filters. Our team appreciates the fact that the top cup serves to hold your fruit, and once you're done choosing, you can conveniently drink from the collection container itself. The lid can be flipped over to keep it neatly inside the cup, but it can also be used as an egg separator when inverted. Overall, this is a great juicer for those on a tight budget. The versatile functionality of this equipment, including a 2-cup container and pulp filter, fascinates many users. With that, it earns the number 3 spot in our list. The handheld juicer coming in at number 2 on our list is the OXO Good Grips 2-in-1 Citrus Juicer. The OXO Good Grips 2-in-1 Citrus Juicer has beautiful, sharp ridges that quickly release juice, which speed up the juicing process. In comparison to other countertop juicers that our team tested, the OXO required less pressure to operate. Instead of having a solid reamer surrounded by a perforated mold for the juice to drip through, this juicer features an open, cage-like design which acts as a sieve even when the surface underneath it is wet. Any juicer will eventually clog up with pulp, but the OXO could handle up to 4 pieces of fruit before needing to be cleared and has at least twice the capacity of other reamers. It was also simple to remove the reamer attachment from the juicer and dump the pulp out. The OXO cup holds around 300 milliliters of liquid, or roughly 1/3 a cup. It has measures marked on the sides in both ounces and milliliters. In our test, it has the capacity to hold the juice from about 8 limes, 5 lemons, or 2 oranges. This isn't as large as some other models, but it'll serve most purposes. OXO excels at ergonomically designed tools. This reamer with a connected measuring cup isn't called Good Grips for nothing, and ergonomics are what sets it apart from the rest of the products. This is why we have placed it at the number 2 spot in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 handheld juicer in our list, the Zulay Professional Citrus Juicer. One of the greatest manual juicers, especially for citrus, is the Zulay Professional Citrus Juicer. The construction is excellent as it's made of heavy-duty cast iron, ensuring long-term durability. It's incredibly easy to use and keeps firmly in place without sliding away, falling, or tipping thanks to its ergonomic shape and rubber feet. To extract the juice, the machine relies on gravity and leverage. The actual work is done by the lever action. It's very efficient in accomplishing its function since it has powerful and secure crushing capabilities. Most large objects will fit comfortably within the 5-inch diameter cup. This juicer is also simple to clean with detachable pieces that can be washed in the dishwasher. It's made of high-quality materials by one of the most recognized juice extractor brands. Our team was impressed at this versatile tool that can juice a variety of fruits and vegetables. It has a strong press arm that is easy to use and provides outstanding functionality. Pulling the handle down to squeeze out all the juice is all it takes to extract the juice. To use it, simply place half of your favorite fruit in the juicer, pull the ergonomic lever, and voila! You're ready to enjoy your fruit juice free of seeds and pulp. The juicer will take up some counter space in your kitchen, but for juicing enthusiasts, this is definitely a worthwhile purchase. The Zulay Professional Citrus Juicer stands out when it comes to adaptability. You can rest assured that it'll meet all of your juicing requirements. With its durability and easy to handle, our team couldn't resist putting it in the top spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 handheld juicers which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next handheld juicer roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.